Hello, guys. Welcome to Ramta Solutions. Welcome to your grade 12 mathematics. Today, in our series of past papers, we are looking at your topic, sequences and series. And our question paper comes from the Free State Province, the nation's best performing province. So, without any waste of time, let's get into it. Remember, S is the norm. We like reading instructions. I'm sorry if the writing is not that visible. Um, I'll try to zoom this a bit and we make it 65. It's not happened. 75 perhaps. Okay. Instruction number 4. Clearly show all calculations, diagrams, graph, etc. that you have used in determining your answers. This is very key. Instruction number 5, answers only will not necessarily be awarded full marks. I like instruction number 4, guys, because it says to you, be at liberty to show us how you get to your answers. You get it? And then instruction number 7, if necessary, round off answers to 2 decimal places unless stated otherwise. If necessary. Okay? Unless stated otherwise. So without any waste of time, let's get to the questions. I see it's question 2. All right. So let's go. Um, let's see. Um, uh, okay, I'm gonna make it 85. That's better. All right. So this is question 2. 0, 7, and 12 are third, fourth, and fifth terms of a quadratic sequence. Did you guys hear that? 0, 7, and 12 are third, fourth, and fifth terms of a quadratic sequence. Determine the first term of the sequence. So 2.1, we have first term, second term. We have third term is 0, fourth term is 7, and then fifth term is 12. 7 minus 0 is 7, and then 12 minus 7 is 5. So what is this? 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Right, this is negative 2, negative 2. Right, negative 2, negative 2. So let's see. 5 minus 2 will be 7. 7 what is it? 7 minus 2 will be 9. 9 hear me out. 9 minus 2 will be 11. Right? Now 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 0 minus 9 is negative 9. Negative 9 minus 11 is negative 20. It's negative 20. Therefore, T1 is negative 20. Happy? T1 is negative 20. Happy? So this is it for 2 marks. Okay. All right. Now, 2.2, determine an expression for the nth term of this pattern. You guys recall this corresponds to 2a, this corresponds to 3a plus b, and the first term corresponds to a plus b plus c. All right? So what is 2a equals negative 2? This implies a equals negative 1. 3a plus b equals 11. So 3 into negative 1 plus b equals 11. I do see that it'll be b equals 14. All right, b equals 14. And we said a plus b plus c was equal to negative 20. I still remember term 1. So this is minus 1 plus 14 plus c equals negative 20. So this will be 30 33, I think it'll be 33. So C is 30, negative 33. Right? C is negative 33. Happy? Perfect. Now, we are not done. We know T sub n is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. What is n? We said it's negative 1. So this will be negative n squared. And what was b? B was 14, positive 14n. And what was c? C was negative 33. It was negative 33. Now let's prove if this is really it. So we'll try term 3. Term 3 is equal to negative 0 squared. Negative 3 square plus 14 into 3 minus 33. Okay, let's see. Minus 33. So this will be 9, 9. So it'll be minus 40, minus 42 plus 42. Indeed, it's 0. So it means this guy is correct. Okay, now let me go back to, okay, it's not the size that I was using. And then I'm using black. Okay, so it means the formula or the general term is correct. Right? Now let's go to 2.3. 2.3. 2.3 says determine which term of the pattern will have the highest value. So this is basically asking you, when you look at this T sub n, when you look at this, it'll be a parabola that's frowning. Right? So you see my presentation, it's a parabola that's frowning. So therefore you need axis of symmetry. Okay, you need axis of symmetry. So axis of symmetry will be n equals negative negative b over 2a. Remember, you used to saying x, but this is not x. It is, this formula varies with n. So therefore, we say n equals negative 14 over 2 into negative 1. So this is n equals positive 7. Therefore, the term that will have the highest value is 7. Therefore, the term that will have the highest value is 7. The term that will have the highest value is 7. Is T7. Okay. It is T7 that will have the highest value. In fact, I shouldn't have written this essay. I should have just said T7 will have the highest value. All right. So we're supposed to be done in 9 marks. Minusing the yada yada, I think we did well. We were able to finish way below. We are able to finish way below the 9 minutes. All right. Perfect. Now let's go. Let me see if we have enough space here. Okay. I'm going to the next page. Question 3. So question 3, 3.1. Given the arithmetic 10x plus 6, arithmetic sequence 10x plus 6, 2x plus 4, and 4x minus 8, 3.1.1, determine the value of x. We say T2 minus T1 equals T3 minus T2 because this is the common difference, right? So what is T2? 2x 2x minus 2x plus 4 minus 10x plus 6 close equals term 3 is 4x minus 8 minus term 2 was 2x plus 4. Let's see. This is 2x plus 4 minus 10x minus 6 equals 4x minus 8 minus 2x minus 4. Okay, so let's see now. The mistake that we can make, let's see. I do see, I'm just gonna simplify things like this. 2x minus 10x is minus 8x. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. And then 4x minus 2x is 2x. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. So what we can do here, we can say we have minus 10x equals negative 10. Therefore, x equals 1. And then we are good to go. Okay? We are good to go. All right? Perfect. Now, how many marks is this, by the way? Okay, 2 marks. No worries. Now, 3.1.2, determine the 10th term of the sequence. So what we need now is this. We need to realize that x is equal to 1. So this means we have 10 times 1 is 10 plus 6 is 16. Followed by 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 6. And then 4 times 1 is 4 minus 8 it's minus 4. So let's see. 6 minus 16 it's minus 10. It's minus 10. Do you guys see this? It's minus 10. Remember, it was arithmetic, right? So then they say we need the 10th term. So we're simply going to say t sub n is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. And then this is t10. A was 16, 10 minus 1, and d was negative 10. Isn't it? D was negative 10. All right, so since this negative 10, we can therefore say, using our calculators, 16 minus 9, let me see, 16 minus 9, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 times 10 is 90, so this looks like it'll be 74, negative 74 to be precise, negative 74, 16 minus 90. All right, it's negative 74. All right, it's negative 74. So we are good to go. Now, 3.1.3, determine the sum of the first 99 terms of this sequence. The first 99 terms of this sequence. So we will use the formula, sum of n terms is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus open bracket n minus 1 close times d close. So we're looking for the sum of the first 99 terms. So S of 99 will be 99 all over 2 multiplied by 2, whereas the first term it has 16, and then this is 99 minus 1, and then the common difference is negative 10. Let's go. 99 over 2. Oh, there's a song about 99 problems. Plus 98. Oh, I should have said minus 980. Yeah, minus 980. Okay, what is the answer? The answer is negative 46,926, guys. Negative 46,926. Isn't it? Perfect. Oh, we're not done. And by the way, let's thank SA Exam Papers for their documents. They were able to really gather documents for us. Now we are going to 3.2. 3.2. So let's see, we're supposed to be done with this question. Let's see. 9 plus 17, guys, is 26. So we should be done in 26 minutes. 3.2, let's see. 3.2 says you have this. For which values of k is this convergent? So we know r is equal to t2 over t1. And this is 2 into k minus 5 close square all over 2 open bracket k minus 5. And this means you have k minus 5. All right. This is your r. Therefore, for a series to be convergent, r must be greater than negative 1 but less than 1. However, we found our r to be k minus 5. Therefore, it will be minus 1 plus 5 will be 4. And then 1 plus 5 will be 6, and that's your answer. Okay, perfect. Now 3.2.2, if k is half, find the sum to infinity. If k is half, find the sum to infinity. This means r is, oh, it's not half, it's 4.5. It's 4.5. So guys, remember 4.5 can basically say it's the same as 9 over 2. Okay, 9 over 2. All right. Because you have calculators, this is basically minus half. I want to believe that. And then what is the value of a? A was 2 into, again, 4.5 minus uh minus 5. So what is this? This looks like it will be minus 1. It looks like it will be minus 1. So let's go. Sum to infinity. It's given. The formula is given. Let me skip a bit. Sum to infinity is given as a over 1 minus r. What is a? Negative 1. And what is r? It's minus half. Right? It's minus half. So when we look at this, it seems like we will be having negative 3 over 2. Let me just confirm. I don't have a calculator. Oh, I do have one. What am I saying? Minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2. Yes, it's minus 2 over 3. Okay, perfect. So it is minus 2 over 3. All right. So this is it. Okay, perfect. Oh, we're supposed to be done in like what? We said 26 minutes. I think we are heading somewhere. So 3.3. Three numbers are in the ratio 1, 3, 10. If 20 is subtracted from the third number, the values form a geometric series. So to form a geometric series, to form a geometric series, to form a geometric series, we can call them like this. Maybe because they are ratios, we can put x or k. I like working with k, but let me use x. This is x, 3x, and then the other one will be 10x, right? But to make it geometric, they said 20 must be subtracted from the third. So it'll be 10x minus 20. Okay. Now, however, another thing that you need to know, originally it is x, 3x, and 10x. Okay. So to form a geometric sequence, this therefore means we need to say r equals t2 over t1 equals t3 over t2. So what is t2? T2 is 3x. What is t1? It's x. What is t3? It's 10x minus 20. And then what is t2? It's 3x. Cross multi, or rather multiplying throughout by 3x, we will be getting 3x times 3x, it will be 9x squared, and here it will be cancelling. Multiplying throughout by x, we will be getting x times 10x is 10x squared, and then x times negative 20 will be negative 20x. Therefore, we have 0 equals x squared minus 20x. Therefore, 0 equals x, close, open, x minus 20. Proceeding, x equals 0 or x equals 20. This will not work, right? This will not work. Okay, this will not work. Now, remember, they say the numbers in this ratio, and whatever, if 20 is to be subtracted from the third, the numbers form a geometry. Determine the three numbers. So the three numbers are, therefore the three numbers are, therefore the three numbers are, and the three numbers are term 1, therefore the numbers are term 1, remember it was merely x, so it'll be 20, isn't it? It was x because it was 1. So term 2 was 3 times x, so it'll be 3 times 20 will be 60. And then term 3 was 10 times x, so 10 times 20 will be 200. And these are the numbers that we are looking for. Now, they were not asking us what they are for geometric. We are basically asked for what they are originally. Okay, so check this out. We were able to finish this question paper in 20 minutes. Now, if you minus the yada yadding, it means we were able to finish it way before. And guys, this means for your exam, it means that you will have enough time to focus on other questions that might be giving you some difficulty. For example, calculus and functions, and even probability or finance, right? But otherwise, you save time when you work faster. So I hope you guys were now able to see how we do this for exams. This is your exam preparation. So bye bye.